get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside, but now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Adobe Okonkwo Baforo. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Dallas, Texas. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what a typical morning routine for me looks like just before my remote work from home job. I usually get up and go straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth if I'm going to be going to that gym on that day. This is the mouthwash that I use. It's the Terra Breath. This blue one is absolutely amazing. After the blue one, I think I really like the green one, so just something to note. My optometrist recommended that I use my eye drop more frequently, so I try to apply my eye drops whenever I remember. Because I'm running out of my contact lenses, I save them for special occasions, and today I'll be going for a scan, so I decided to just wear contact lenses instead of my regular glasses. The contact lenses I use, I think it's called Toto. It's really good, it's comfortable, and one tip, make sure you use the Blink lubricating drops for contact lenses before you apply it, just so it doesn't dry out your eye and you're able to wear the lenses for a while. I went in and washed my face with my CeraVe foaming cleanser. I've been using this for a while now and I think it's absolutely amazing. I usually alternate this with my superfood greens cleanser by You to the People. This moisturizer by Tatcha, this is the dewy super plumbing something. It's absolutely amazing. This is the best moisturizer I've ever used. And of course, don't forget your sunscreen, girls. This is the sunscreen I use, the Black Girl Magic sunscreen. It's really moisturizing and I absolutely love it. What you saw me do before was apply my piercing cleanser. My bump for my piercing has refused to leave me alone, so if you guys have any more tips, sea salt and hot water works, but oh my goodness, it keeps coming back. Now I'm just getting ready for the gym. My leggings is from Aurora on my Amazon. I'm also going to link it in the description box, but I absolutely love all their leggings and shorts. In fact, that's the only thing I wear these days. Another good brand is AYBL. So yes, I'm filling up my Stanley tumbler for my workout. And then this socks, slouching socks I got from American Eagle. I think it's really nice. It just adds an extra pizzazz. My favorite sneaker is the New Balance 9060. Absolutely love this one. So go get you some New Balance, girl. So yes, we're ready and we're stepping out of the house. I'm gonna drive. The gym is literally 5 or 6 minutes away from the house, so it's not far at all. I'm just putting my stuff in the car and then we'll start heading to the gym in a minute. On this day, I actually forgot my gym membership expired, but luckily they were able to allow me in because gym is a huge part of my morning routine. So I'll be renewing it next year when my benefits for my work starts again, and then just so I can get reimbursed for that money, because I didn't get reimbursed for this one because I started my gym workout before I started work. Anyways, today is arms day, and we're starting off with I don't know what this is called, but this is typically what I do on all of my arm days. So this is butterfly. You just take like 5 pounds and you go up and under. I also like this bicep pull. I feel like it's giving me nice toned muscled arms, so definitely something to try out. I switched this 15 for 20 just to get that pump even more. So this is me doing 20 now, 20 pounds each, and girl, you're gonna feel the pump. Like, yes, you're definitely going to feel it. So I did a few of this, and I'm going and doing this lat pull. So my lat pull is usually at 32 kg. So the weight that I pull is 32 kg. I always end with cardio, no matter how short I'm able to do it. And my cardio is 12 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. I usually don't do 30 minutes these days because I'm already tired from my strength training. So I'll try to do 15 minutes at least. I'm back home and I had a meeting that I had to quickly prepare for. My manager moved my one-on-one 1 hour earlier, so I had to prepare my RIG report, so red, yellow, and green reports. So it's also called the progress report. You guys have seen me do this severally on my channel. So once that is ready, I sent it to my manager and I just prepared my talking points for my meeting with him in a couple of minutes. Literally 7 minutes was all I had to prepare that meeting. So yes, I finished up my meeting with my manager and I came downstairs to make breakfast because I was super hungry. I went to get groceries, just a few items, some plantains, curry, and dried fish, and I'll be making some roasted plantains with vegetable sauce. The vegetable sauce was saucing. It was really, really good. Unfortunately, I didn't record how I made it, but it tasted so good. So this is how I roasted my plantain. I used my air fryer. This stuff has been with me for like over a year now. Still works great. But I did get like a lining paper from Shein, and it's been doing a good job because I hate cleaning this out. This is what it looked like. Ooh, yummy. Finally, I'm back at work, but I want to close out this video by saying a huge thank you to everybody who has watched this. If you watched this till this point, please leave a heart emoji, any color of your choice in the comment section. I truly appreciate all the support and I'm so excited to get into 2024. I wish you all a wonderful holidays. I'll be having a couple more videos just before the year ends, but thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.